Hello, and it's February 2025 na. First day of the month, and I kicked it off with a morning walk. Super excited to start the day, feeling fresh in my all-white outfit. On my way home, dumaan ako sa overpass at bumili na rin pala ako ng ice cream from Mercury Drugstore. Pag-uwi ko, sinalubong ako ng dalawang doggies. Nothing beats coming home to wagging tails. The next day was Sunday and I was in the mood to go out kasi Pokemon Fun Day sa SM North. Na-excite nga ako but before heading out naglinis ako at nagpalit ng bedsheets. And then I was all set to go. Kasama ko sina Achi, Kuya Matt, Mami at Daddy. Pagdating namin, we saw this huge 6-meter tall Pikachu inflatable plus tons of Pokemon collectibles. It was like a dream come true for any Pokemon fan. Pagkatapos ay kumain kami sa Kangchi-produced Hong Kong cafe. And the drinks, super cute. They had a bear-shaped drink and the buko pandan with jelly ace. Itong araw naman na to, nalaman ko na may pupunta palang government acquaintance si Daddy. I didn't want to face him, so I decided na magdilig na lang ng halaman since I didn't get the chance to do it earlier in the morning. After that, I went out to run some errands and paid some bills. While the pork was simmering, nagplansya muna ako ng mga damit namin. Kinabukasan may online session ako with my psychiatrist. I was a little nervous about it. But after the session, I felt a bit shy what I shared. But so far, so good. Nag-decide din ako mag-apply for PWD ID since eligible ako at makakakuha pa ng discount sa medicines ko. Kasama ko si Ate Tess para mag-apply. The assessor was kind. He even said that he shares the same birthday as me. In 2 days, nakuha ko na rin agad yung ID ko and Daddy offered to drive me to the PDAO to pick it up.
Natatali ko na yung buhok ko. Natatali ko na buhok ko. Kasi mahaba na, no? No.
Nakuha ko na rin yung ID ko at binigyan din nila ako ng booklet. On February 10, I had an online session with my therapist at proud siya sa akin kasi unti-unti ko nang namamanage yung social anxiety ko. I have been doing better with my morning walks. Valentine's Day, binigyan ako ni Achi ng flowers pero hindi ko sure if the other one came from Kuya Matt or kay Achi din. On February 16, I did something unexpected. I started learning a new dance for my other channel. Nag-record pa nga ako Pero I wasn't fully satisfied with the result, so I re-recorded it the next day. On my morning walk, dumaan ako sa Fatima at naupo muna ako sa bench with some cute cats. The next day, I decided to give Donut a bath. She's such a cutie pie. I just couldn't resist. Nag-record din ako ng song cover for my Tumblr blog. Just a little creative outlet. Oo nga pala, nakita ko yung mga old graduation photos ko. One from elementary when I was 11 and another from high school when I was 15. Anyway, February has been such a great month, and I'm really thankful for everything. I've met so many wonderful online friends too. Cheers to more blessings and growth. Bye-bye!